Okay, hello guys. What do we have here today? We have a fabulous Commodore 64. We're going to test it using the dead cartridge and all the dongles here connected. User port, tape port, and of course the control port. Okay. So we're going to switch this machine on. Right. Let's see. Everything seems to work fine. Uh-oh. It seems there's something wrong. The system says that this chip is bad, and the control port is bad, and the keyboard is open. Strange, right? Well, you should be aware that if you don't use this dongle here on the keyboard, and you just forget it, and you leave the keyboard, the original keyboard connected on this one, this test is going to fail. Carrying your machine is a bad one. So let's put this thing on the keyboard connector, okay? And see what happens. Right, so here is my experience. That's the dongle connected to the keyboard connector. And as you can see, this motherboard is pretty cool because all the ICs here are on socket. Sorry about the bad quality image, but this camera is not really good. This is for general purpose. So anyway, so now we're going to run the test again using the keyboard connector. It's the same machine. Now, of course, the story is going to be different. As you can see, this is the same machine and everything is okay. This is pretty nice. Okay, so mission accomplished. Bye.